Hello guys, I have a new toy in my kitchen. Ultra Clean Wansa is here. It has a 12 gram Wansa Gold. There is the knob, wash timer, wash selector, drain selector, and a spin timer. Okay, it has a big spin timer here. It's a big tub. Here, I use it already for white clothes. It's very big. It's very strong. It's supposed to be you can put it until 12 kilograms. Once a quart. It's a big one. Okay. I don't even remove the plastic. Still have plastic inside. It's very strong. Still have plastic. I forget to remove. So I recommend you to take this brand. It's very strong and it's very good. Yes. So we must put the cover because the bubble is very strong. Ultra Clean Wansa. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. It's a very big tub, you know.